Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Flexible Flyer Avengers Snowboard. This is an excellent snowboard for kids, and it's excellent to learn how to use one. It's the perfect size for those under 18. This affordable flexible flyer snowboard is perfect for boarding in the backyard or local sledding hill. It's great for beginners because it's easy to maneuver. This child's snowboard is designed to be easy to use and forgiving so kids can ride with confidence. A snowboard for learning to balance, turn and stop, great for practicing novice tricks. Blow-molded high-density polyethylene HDPE for extreme durability. More than a toy snowboard. No metal edges to cut young kids. Pre-mounted kids snowboard binding straps accommodate snow boots. It has an adjustable ratchet system, ensures a secure fit with a wide range of boot sizes. A snowboard for kids ages 5 to 8 years old. Our second best snowboard is Emsco Group ESP Snowboard. This is a backyard toy, and for that is loads of fun, but you are not going to be able to transfer skills that easily to do real snowboarding. You can bought this to have some fun with family members and friends. Wear a helmet, you will fall and can pick up a lot of speed. This snowboard is appropriate for children ages 5 to 15 and is perfect for entry-level snowboarding. Beginners will find the ergonomic design helpful in their quest to learn this exciting snow sport. This snowboard has step-in bindings that are adjustable for children of all ages. The bindings will lock into place after adjusting, so youngsters of all different sizes can fit. This ensures safety, as kids will always be attached to the snowboard and won't fall off while boarding. Has a weight limit of 95 pounds. The amazing surface of this board boasts hip and trendy designs. It features stylish, colorful art that showcases contemporary images. These awesome graphics won't alienate young children and preteens like plain, boring boards do. The contemporary graphics will enhance kids' interest in the sport. The images on the freeride snowboard are updated regularly. Third in our list is Camp 7 Drifter Snowboard. This is a great package for beginners and intermediate boarders. Binding is good quality, boots fit true to size, the board has good bend and flexibility for carving. The ultimate all-mountain snowboard package featuring the best of system and Camp 7. The Drifter floats like a dream in powder, absolutely kills groomers, and makes park laps easier than ever. Paired with System's APX boot and binding, it's almost like this setup was made specifically for each other. If you're looking for a dominating package that will have you riding better than ever over the entire mountain, this is the package for you. The Drifter has been upgraded and refined to perfection. An all-new hybrid design, the Drifter features the new CRCX camber profile. The CRCX is a rocker-dominant camber profile, which greatly increases float in powder and elevates your contact points to ensure you never catch an edge. Number 4 in our best snowboard list is Geospace Original Snowboard. It was entertaining to watch them take turns cruising down the hill and trying jumps and tricks. Great beginner snowboard for half the price of a regular one. Snowboarding is a blast, but it can be expensive to equip kids with all the latest gear. Here's a way to get the speed, the excitement, and the adrenaline rush of snowboarding. Our Blue Sledsters Kids Snowboard is shaped to go fast, make turns, and hit bumps and jumps on snow-covered hills in the neighborhood. Insert and secure the bindings from the underside of the board. Riders just hop on, strap in, and start shredding. Our last pick is Burton Chopper Snowboard. Quality snowboard, can't really go wrong with a Burton snowboard. Good size for my 3 years old. The products are all great, and there's really nothing cuter than an 80 centimeters board. Twin shape is perfectly symmetrical for a balanced ride, so you can spin and stomp with outstanding stability whether you're riding regular or switch. Flat top bend provides stability, balance, and continuous edge control, helping the tip and tail kick up for a catch-free and loose riding experience. Easy Bevel gives riders an incredibly soft and forgiving board with super soft flex and a convex base that lifts the edges off the snow, making it virtually impossible to catch an edge.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!